Good morning. It's 7:45 in the morning and I can feel the heat on me. It's amazing. Sorry, I'm suffering from flu. I caught something just as I was leaving home. Just typical. A day before I leave, I've got a snotty nose, but I'll do my best. The staff have started to work around the pool and the gardens now. Earlier when I made the video, it was about 5:30 AM. There was nobody around. It feels like there's not a lot of people here anyway. Maybe just the coach load that brought us from the airport, which is really what we were looking for. So we're at the SuneoClub Reef, Marsa. And there's a few shops here for essentials and local items. Souvenirs. You got wet shoes and all sorts of things you might have forgot to bring with you. Top up on your suntan lotions, shoes, bags, and jewellery, scarves, t-shirts. You don't get slippers in the room, so if you can bring them with you, they sell them for £8 here, English. There's no robes either, it's just something that they just don't do. Okay, so this is breakfast. We'll do a quick fruit station. Yogurts. Egg station. Potatoes and chicken sausages and beef sausages, pancakes, cheese and pate, salad and breads and jams with some porridge. This is called frittata, and there's white beans, like baked beans. You wouldn't want to spoil that, it looks very nice. And some pudding.
Egyptian flavor beans.
Egyptian fava beans, like kidney beans. Grilled veg. Eggs, tomato, cheese and scrambled eggs. Yeah. So they bring you your tea and coffee and juice. You just need to pay for the juice at about £1, I think they said. And we did have budget in mind, so it's the first time we've actually come to Egypt. We're getting a really nice 2-week all-inclusive break, and it's such a good price, so definitely look up, see what you can find. It's definitely breezy, which is why they've got the windbreaks everywhere, but that's enough. Once you've got one of those windbreaks and you're sunbathing, you don't feel it anymore. It's quite nice. So we're sitting right there and our room is just there. And this is the outside bar where you can get hot drinks and spirits, cocktails, everything. Look what they've done for us. So cute. It's Valentine's. The room is a really good size. just everything you need. They give you complimentary bottles of water, which is really handy. You don't have to think about going to the bar or anything, and they will fill that every time they clean the room. And I actually asked them to put a sunbed on the balcony for us. Yes! So cheeky, but they're really accommodating, really sweet. So that's where we were just now, at the bar, and we've got our seating here. Perfect. It's getting really hot, can't actually open my eyes, it's so sunny. So this is our bed, really comfy, really good mattress, and they've decorated it beautifully. That's just so cute. But check this out, the ceiling is like this, which is just really strange. It's just concrete and brick. But it's all good. They're professional singers. Yeah. So this is a foyer, nice place to sit. It's very pretty. This is the restaurant, so this is where all the meals are served. Let's see what they got for dinner. Hi. Yeah, good. How are you?
I'm British. Today.
Lovely. So the sweet counter. Egyptian moussaka and macaroni, wow. So I'm a veggie, so this is heaven for me. But if you like roasted duck, there's chicken and beef. You won't find any pork, but they do have chicken sausages and beef sausages at breakfast. Their salads are amazing. I'm not a fussy eater, but I think you can definitely always find something. Yesterday was Valentine's Day and they actually had the bread made in heart shapes. It was really cute. Nice effort. They got good fish dishes as well. And around here they have more. Beef kebab, rice. Cool. Time for me to eat. Good morning. It's day 2 in Marsa and everything's starting to get going at the hotel. The staff are super amazing. They really do go that extra mile, and I'm sure they don't need to, but they're very sweet. So they're making our time really relaxing. I'm feeling a lot better. I may not sound it, but I feel a lot better. So by tomorrow I should be 100%. I'm hoping to put this video out ASAP because I know there's a group of people turning up on Sunday because half term starts today, and I just want to get some information out so that people know what to pack So main thing that I wish I had packed, I hadn't got, is my room slippers. Make sure you've got some hoodies, because in the evening the wind is chilly, and even now, like, the sun is beating down, it's really hot. For some reason the air is still chilly. I just want to show you the sand. This is all very man-made. It's only soft here, but apart from that, it feels like it's just thrown over some concrete. So there is really good sand, like a sandy beach further down, not too far from here, just past the construction site. So I'm going to try and check that out either today or tomorrow. You can see here it gets quite rocky and pebbly, but then the sand starts as you get close to the water, and the water is really nice and calm. It's super clear, and you actually get fish come right to the shore. And the one that I've seen mainly is the zebra fish, and then we have the pier. So let's take a walk. So this is quite interesting. It says the typical stuff you would expect, you know, feed the fish, no fishing, you need parent supervision. But then it says don't go through the garbage and don't collect the seashells. I didn't know they do that, but anyway, no parents and no glass bottles, so that's good. Did I say no parents? I didn't mean no parents. No pets. So I'm afraid I'm not a water baby, but I really do wish I was. You can see how clear this water is. And on this side, it's really glistening. Here I can show you Grand Marsa. So it's right next to our hotel. There's a stairway that leads you to this hotel. We're allowed to use some of the facility. For example, you can have a drink there, you can use the gym there if you speak to them and get permission. I don't think you can eat there. There's a snack bar right in front of me. If all else fails, they do burger, chips and things like that. Pool 1, children's pool. It looks really nice. Loads of kids were in there yesterday. I say loads, I mean about 6. Then is another pool and the pool bar. It's good that they've covered the table tennis area, because it is really hot. The sun beams down. That's what I don't understand. It's so hot, yet when the wind blows it's quite chilly. So this is pool number 2, and then there's a really nice play area. I'm so tempted to go in there. This is all sandy. So that's very cool. Look at 3 swings there as well. You've got the tire for the younger kids. This is the one that you see in the main pictures. This pool, it's very just squarish. So I hope I've given you enough information there. Oh, by the way, it's February the 16th and there's no mosquitoes that I've seen so far. Now that's not to say don't bring your mosquito repellents, because it's something I would never do. I wouldn't dare. But I haven't seen any mosquitoes, so that's quite nice. A few flies, 1 or 2 birds, that's about it. So I'm going to head back to my room, but I hope you enjoyed this little tour, little walk through the hotel and its facilities, and come and relax because it's well worth it if you can get the bargain that I managed to find.